Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kadar Basnong Lau Soton, Kalalek ban ujor ejahar, ha ud Superintendent of Police persya kong Patricia Mukhem, halor ki jingkan tho jongka, ki bela sapriang patba lingba ka Facebook, halor ka jingja ka bay day baka jingsha syo jongki katu kat ngot ki barjela, ka bela jah ki kindiat singi bela dep Basnong Lau Soton. Ha katek ejahar, bala soy da urang Basnong uba lor syai, shela, bat usketri uba ban kraw ko par Soton, kadar Basnong Lau Soton kala ong, baha katek jing tho, la tho da ki kintien, kibla wan ra ya ka jinga pher je penrio bat kila don ru ikin tien kibla kran persya ka dor basnong ka bala bu jingkeliru da ka boong hatu ka dor basnong kamdon khmat kamdon skor habai kran ba kila pathai kubor urang basnong ba lor sha shilla ulaong ba ka borsnong kamdon jing tpa ya ka jingja ka bala ja ha ka te ka singi halau soton
ka jingon jangi bot SP kalong tan mangin yo ban IFIA halo ka tu jingkan kho jaka Patricia Mukhem halo ka tiga social media mo nama boleh bangi nakaliang Basnong info apa tanong viral hadu kata tai ini tu pe ke pai ka Patricia nama boleh bangi kwa anaga nong jangi ru kan long ga sok sok kang san jing kam dai ke bangi sun da khar isi da khar nakaliang jangi kwa tang ban yo kala du shen la ka nang makan num don su nang ne samat man lagi di ke ya kata ke tingja ngan nakaliang jonga simet suka tai pi ba nia tu ngim don dari kejingja kalau batang 1 million minit. Andang ilap ko yang tu spot ni semba amdan isu mana-mana ngulap utang itu. Ubasa syo menyiap keli itu. Paiti por wano kulit larano kulit. Tangata hadu mentai ngidanya ni nakal yang senang ngidanya le iban. Baik banua ni dan mana-mana yang senang. Ya hadu mentai parlap yang naru. Saya kasang kulit tadi kambang kulit banua ni I full support kulit tu menyiap hilang.
Habai keren pan bat Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills uba Sylvester Nong Tenger. Ulai tho ba 4 register kes satya. Namar ba udang syuyo ya ka jing ujor dang mentahi kesengi bat unham ban pha sha laban police station ban le ka badan kam. Ulai tho ru ba ya ki khat wengot. Ki ra syara ki pulet la plat no namar balara ki tang ban syem jingkeli. Bat kam dei ba ki syakem.
Yes, we met this Basnong Lau Soton and we discussed regarding that incidents Lau Soton, which is very unfortunate. So we seek cooperation from the Basnong to solve this case. Perhaps they can throw some light regarding these issues since the PO falls in that village. Yeah, they just filed the affair. Okay, that we'll look into because just now they just hand over to us. So we'll send out to the police stations. That we'll look into. The investigation is still on, and right from day one, our officers swung to action, and in fact we have picked up 11 boys for the interrogations, taking their statement. So since the case is still under investigation, we will work hard. Our guys are working hard to establish the facts and also to identify the culprits. So in fact the case is still on. So that's okay. We look into that because as of now we are still dealing with the burning issues. So our guys are preoccupied with this case. So that we'll look into.